everybody. This is Pastor Dan Betzer. Welcome to the sanctuary of First Assembly of God in Fort Myers, Florida. With God, all things are possible. Today's music and message will lift your heart and spirit to sense the presence of Jesus right there where you are. Throughout this service, you'll see a prayer line telephone number. Folks who care about you are standing by to pray with you or to counsel you. So let's celebrate together the greatest story ever told, the story of Jesus and his love for you.